We closed the convertible trunk thing like fully. This is the gap. This is basically the same gap from OEM. What'd you do?
We had to grind it, a lot of grinds, maybe over here about almost 3/4. Then we had to grind on the inside, scoot it back in.
That's like perfect. That's literally perfect fitment. Oh my gosh.
That's what we do here in Mike's Body Shop.
Ooh. What's your opinion on this job so far?
You have to give it time. You got to give it time. You got to be patient with it.
Once we put the bolts in, but it's perfect, truly. Again, it just takes time. Don't have a gap like that, we got a jack on it. Don't worry, that'll close. We got the spacers, so we're gonna be flush. Oh, it's gonna look so nice. So the 345 is actually gonna look really nice with the car rather than it sticking out from the fender. It's gonna look flush, it's gonna look good, it's gonna look aggressive.
Oh, this is...
So this one was a snug
Yeah, this is more of
fit.
a snug fit. I should say like we were to tack it in right here.
It fits better than the other one. I wonder why the other one wasn't
Yeah, see
like
right
this.
there? Gosh, that's good.
Oh,
Right there.
why do you guys think this
Tack it in,
one?
look at that.
Why do you guys think that this one was better than the other one? Oh,
Awesome.
why?
Whenever we get the bottom in, it's going to...
Different molds when you need to bring them up.
Oh, makes sense.
There, and then this pump will go.
Wow, that's pretty good. Oh my gosh, I'm so
This will be
excited.
a lot easier.
To-
Look at that. All we got to do here is just match these.
That bar would be
Look,
good.
see it? Good. Right. All we got to do is just match the holes tomorrow.
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Well, I'm excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow definitely paint day, prep and paint.
This is good. I think at this point we just got to match the holes.
Yeah. So tomorrow, guys, my husband's gonna be working, unfortunately, but working from home. But my dad and I,
Working from here, I'm working from the office.
my dad and I will be prepping these to paint. So I'll be doing more hands-on tomorrow. This is just a little difficult on me, and I feel like my dad could do better. Jeremy definitely has the strength for it, and I have work to do. But tomorrow's another day. This is exciting. Wow, so cool.
14 hours later.
We're back. I'm a little tired today, but this fender lined it up perfectly. Mike, the professional, of course, got the holes to be aligned perfectly. We are bolting on just a few of these here so we could work on this side. This one's gonna require a little bit of trimming, and then we have to do the holes for the gas. But other than that, it's perfect. This side, look, holes here, nice. Holes there, nice. Holes down there, nice. Just gotta do this side. Look at that, we're doing pretty good. Oh, blister. El blister. Blister.
Where is he at? How's it going?
This one fit perfectly. Okay, so we got a few of the bolts in, and it's looking like good fitment.
Oh, that's the hole right there.
We're aligning the bolt holes and they're literally perfect. So now we're gonna close the trunk to see how it looks, if it even closes.
Oh yeah.
To the tape.
They need to come out more. That's why I said that.
Yeah, so this bolt hole needs to
Little
come out a
bit.
little bit
So
more.
this one they need... Right there.
Yeah, right there. That
But
one's still
little
good.
small issues like that are
just-
not too difficult to
Oh, you want to
fix.
drill it while I hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what did you do to get it so like perfect?
Precised, almost precised. We had to make sure all the holes line up perfectly, at least on this one. Then we have to drill and then screw them out. That's what we do, is we get them lined up almost perfect. It ain't factory, but These are aftermarket quarter panels, wide body, almost to perfect. Almost to perfect. And we're still not done adjusting. So we're right there.
We're right there. They look beautiful. Once we get this perfectly aligned, we're gonna keep it as is, and then we're gonna work on this side. This side doesn't seem too bad. As you guys can tell, this lines up to the hole, but it's a little too long for this part. So we're gonna have to cut like a good half an inch maybe here. This fixed and lined up. Of course, it's not perfect mold, and these are aftermarket, so it's not OEM, but this is the best we got. And truthfully, I think they're pretty okay. But here, what's the issue here? Oh, the gap is a little too wide for our liking. It's not severe. It's just, I don't know. I guess if you notice it, you notice it. And we notice it, obviously, because we're here working on it. We are going to have to trim this. I think I mentioned that. We haven't done it yet because we're trying to get this aligned. We got these bolt holes aligned perfectly. These as well, down there too. We haven't done the gas thing yet. Oh, sorry. My bad. But yeah, we're still on this. Still not ready to paint just yet. This is day 2. Just day 2. We're a little tired today, but it's okay. It's just so tedious. This is probably the most tedious part about it. And then once we start painting and then all this is like fixed, we're rolling. It's gonna go like fast. We're gonna be speeding, but this is just so tedious. Like, it really is. If you don't take your time on this, you're gonna struggle. But that's what we're at right now. So, okay, I'll update y'all. Bye. So you had to shave it. And now it's beautiful. No matter what they say.
There it is.
Can't bring me down. Nice.
Yep.
That's it?
This is what I can't figure out right here.
I think this.
Look at this. When I do this, I just figured out. Look, when I put pressure here,
Yeah.
and I lift up here.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, it bulges.
And look.
Oh.
It's the mold.
The
It's
roof.
messed up, baby.
Oh no.
Yep.
Duraflex, count your days.
Okay, so we gotta do this.
Okay.
Put it back.
Put it back. Using Jeremy's tools? What?
Jeremy's tools. He took advantage of my tools. Oh, let me see this, Mike. Let me see that. Oh, I need this. I'll put it back, Mike. Oh, I'm gonna German.
Tiny. Do you think these got warped probably in the heat or
No,
something?
not the heat.
Or-
It's not nothing y'all have done. It's
Yeah.
the company, the place that made these molds.
Well, what about the company? What about the company? Yeah. A little sad, but it's okay. So, because it's warped, we're having a little bit of a bump.
Issue.
Yeah, issue
Yeah,
/
issue.
bump. So the gap is wide here, as you guys can tell, which is causing this to be a little out. So whenever we close the door, it's like less than a centimeter, but it's like bulging. It's not much of an issue. Really, you can't tell unless you're looking, but I don't know.
At least we're honest.
Yeah, we're honest. This is not easy. Obviously not. We're on day 2 and still trying to get fitment correct, so that's how you know. And there's been some parts where it's been like a little squiggly. It's not perfectly straight. But yeah, so this is hard. So if you guys do want to do color match, go with the professional. Thank God my dad's a professional. So it looks pretty good, but it's definitely taking time and it's a long process. But it's okay. What's up, pa? Pa. What are you doing here, Mike? What is this called?
Wax and grease remover.
Nice. Can I use it for the whole car?
No. saw Jeremy touch his hands all over it, especially right here.
He did.
It's already black. I think we're good there, Mike.
We're almost there. We got to put clear on it.
We don't want to pay for the paint, so we're
Return the paint.
Return.
Return the sender. That dress unknown.
Mike, do you want to give me a small donation?
No such number.
Please.
No such soul.
Quit ignoring me.
Why, home?
I need some new seats.
You need some money?
Mm-hmm.
Why do you need some money? You have the Lord. You're very rich.
Oh, amen. You're right. Absolutely. I take it back.
If we don't do this, Jeremy, all the pores would the paint would suck in. You know, and not good.
This is the fun part about it, I feel like, is the painting. The body works so hard.
We gotta get done. Every car.
We don't talk about that. We don't talk about it. Now we're gonna do the other side. Gotta cover up my wheels. They're brand new.
So this is technically ready to go.
Mhm. Okay, I need some. No, that's 80.
Where is it?
Probably on the, at least 180. It's a yellow roll. It's a yellow roll like this. Like this. How about do like this fast? No mask, no nothing.
I'll send it to OSHA.
Then next, baby. Happy love.
Does painting make you happy, Mike?
Don't give up, baby, don't give up. It'll be happy. Yeah, I'm getting high on my primer. Nothing's happening there, but we'll take care of that tomorrow.
Okay. So the car is having some sort of reaction.
Sometimes these molds, there's something that, like a chemical that leaves out of them. Sometimes.
Interesting. So I don't know if you guys caught that, but she was explaining that because these molds here, their fiberglass, whatever they use, there's like a chemical reaction that comes out whenever the piece priming it. So I don't know if you guys could tell, but there is like a little bit of a reaction going on. So we're just going through it over again, and we're not painting today. It's already like 6:30, almost 7 o'clock. We're gonna go home and just relax. But we are gonna finish this tomorrow. Today's just primer. Tomorrow we're gonna sand it. Like we're gonna sand the primer, kind of see how it reacts, so we can see how it goes tomorrow with the actual paint. So on the other side, we're gonna see if there's any imperfections here. Let's take a look. So far, it's actually reacting pretty nicely on this side. We are gonna open up the gas cap so we can get the inside of it, but that's like a tomorrow thing. Again, today's just priming it and getting it ready for tomorrow. I'm so excited. Don't mind my pillow. I need new seats. I don't want to fix it right now. Okay, here we go.